Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Precious Day Vlogs. How are you all? I hope you're doing well and okay. So in today's video, we're gonna make apple crumble. It's a very delicious recipe, so do try this recipe out. Tell me in the comments, and if new to the channel, please subscribe. For this, we're gonna use about 8 to 9 apples. Green apples we're using. If you don't have green cooking apples, you can use the regular ones too. You just need to add less sugar. So just peel them off and slice them. After slicing them, we're gonna take a bowl of cold water and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar and then just put the sliced apples in so that it prevents them from getting brown. Do that to the rest of the apples. So just slice them all up. Slicing the apples, we're going to use 2 cups of plain flour. Use a mixing bowl for that. Add about 2 tablespoons of sugar, granulated sugar. It's not powdered sugar, it's granulated sugar. This is optional, but if you want, you can add cinnamon powder, but I'm not using cinnamon powder in the flour mixture. So it's optional. If you want, you can add it. Here I'm using unsalted butter cubes. You have to make it cubes, so it's very important as it's very easier for you to mix it all up. We're going to use your hands. Just mix it all up. It takes time, but when it gets to crumbles, so here the butter was less, so I'm adding more butter cubes. Just mix it all up. You can see it has the perfect crumbles ready. So our flour crumble mixture is ready. Now's the time for putting it all together. So here we're gonna add the sliced apples into a oven-proof dish, or you can use a baking tray too. After that, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of sugar, some cinnamon powder, it's optional. If you want, you can add some raisins too. So we're just gonna mix it all up. So after mixing, we're gonna add the flour mixture and put it to bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 to 30 minutes, as you all can see the results, it's perfectly baked. Bake it onto a low heat at 180 degrees Celsius and it is so delicious. Now is the time for serving out. As you all can see, the juice of apple and that sugar around it. It's so delicious. So do try this amazing recipe out. Tell me in the comments. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It's coming to an end. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Till then everyone, take care, stay safe, stay in tune, and we'll meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.